Hello, third graders. Mrs. Coulter here with your next math assignment for the week. It's called coin trading. So we're going to be solving money problems and using our proportional thinking. Our activity is called coin trading. So there are 3 goals that we are going to be focusing on. Goal 1 is to identify coin values and equivalences. That means you will have to know how much each coin is worth and also be able to add different coins together to come up with a specific amount. Goal 2 is generate equivalent ratios. There are going to be questions asking you how many coins would equal another coin. For example, tell me how many nickels equal a quarter. If you said 5, you are correct. 5 nickels is equal to 1 quarter. Now, goal 3 is identify multiples of numbers. This would mean you are able to count by the coin value. So for a nickel, you could count by 5s. A dime, you could count by 10. A quarter, you could count by 25. And a half dollar, you would count by 50. Let's look at your first slide. What coins are shown? If you said half dollar, quarter, dime, nickel, and penny, you are correct. If you trade a half dollar for pennies, how many pennies will you get? If you said 50, you are correct. How many pennies for a quarter? If you said 25, you are correct. A dime? 10 is correct. A nickel? If you said 5, you are correct. If you trade 1 dime for nickels, how many nickels would you get? If you said 2 nickels, you are correct. If you trade 3 dimes for a nickel, how many nickels will you get? 6 is right. Now, how do you know? If you said, I know that each dime can be traded for 2 nickels, so 3 dimes is 3 times 2, or 6 nickels, you are exactly right. Now, if this first slide was difficult for you, it might be a good idea to either find play money or real money that you have at home and use these while you are completing this assignment. A lot of time having the money right in front of you will really help you solve each problem correctly. You will have 6 different slides that you'll be working on for these 3 goals I just discussed. Please make sure to answer each question. I have noticed that using the text box feature is easier than the pen feature. So these are all the different slides you'll be seeing. So using your 3 goals, good luck.